Take your user experience to the next level with PMT's latest docking station for the Dell Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme tablet featuring HDMI video out. Available and shipping now, this ultimate low profile and extreme rugged docking station is now available with HDMI video output connector port to allow for the use of an additional display to enable multitasking, access to more application information, support workflows, and more. PMT's latest docking station release available now with HDMI output for the Dell Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme tablet. Order yours today and discover more information at precisionmounts.com/Dell.